Welcome to the step-by-step guide to having a happy and abundant life. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Let's get started. Define your goals. Begin by identifying and clearly defining your goals and dreams. Be specific and detailed when describing them. This helps establish a clear direction for your life. Believe in yourself. Have confidence in your abilities and potential. Believe that you are capable of achieving your goals and living a happy and abundant life. Cultivate a positive and empowering mindset. Visualize success. Set aside time each day to vividly visualize the life you desire. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and feel the happiness and gratitude that it brings. Visualization helps attract experiences and opportunities aligned with your desires. Maintain positive thoughts. Be mindful of your thoughts and consciously choose to focus on positivity. Release limiting beliefs and replace them with affirmations and positive thoughts that reinforce your goals and the happy, abundant life you desire. Take action. The law of attraction doesn't work solely through thoughts, but also through action. Identify the steps necessary to achieve your goals and start taking action immediately. Consistent and persistent action is essential in creating the life you desire. Practice gratitude. Cultivate genuine gratitude for everything you have and the accomplishments along the way. Gratitude amplifies your positive vibration and attracts more goodness into your life. Be patient and persevering. Remember that the manifestation of your desires may take time. Stay true to your goals, remain consistent, and never give up. Perseverance is key in achieving a happy and abundant life. Remember that the law of attraction works in conjunction with conscious and directed action. It's not enough to simply wish for things, you must take action and be open to the opportunities that arise along the way. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating a happy, fulfilling, and abundant life.